What is going on? Welcome to ednews.com. Today we're going to talk about the state of Nevada and their new laws around substitute teachers. Let's dive in. So what we're seeing here is that Nevada lowers the bar for large school districts to use of subs. During the pandemic, they allowed substitute teachers to only have a high school diploma to deal with the demand of the pandemic and the shortages that is constant with substitute teachers. But now the Nevada, the Legislative Commission on Monday unanimously approved a permanent rule change. It's covering school districts with over 9,000 students, which can attend a district school or a public charter school. Main areas that's going to be hit is Clark County and other large areas like Reno. But public substitute teachers used to need college credits and associate degrees. Now, here's the thing. There's a lot of states who have now lowered the limit to just high school diploma. And there's other creative ways that people are trying to make this happen. As we know that New Mexico called on their National Guard to support and assist on substitute teaching. So there's updates and people are trying to figure out what to do. And Nevada has now committed to allowing substitute teachers to only need a high school diploma. It'd be interesting seeing the impact of this. How do parents respond? Why smaller school districts don't get this opportunity? Maybe they weren't having this problem. What's the messaging and the communication from parents and communities around this? But we'll keep you updated as this story continues to move forward. Thank you for watching Ed News. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe.